Welcome back, everyone, to the Made by Hand Shop. I'm Bobby Sharp. On today's episode, we are going to build a storage shelving system for my wife in the kitchen. She has a lot of large appliances that she uses, and we're going to build something that we can store those in and get them out of the regular cabinets and free up some storage space. So all that's going to begin right now. Okay, so now that I have 3 coats of chalk paint on the shelf unit, I'm going to use some 220 grit sandpaper and smooth that down, go back and clean it, and then I'll put some polyacrylic clear over that, and probably will sand between coats and put 2 or 3 coats of the clear polyurethane over that. So this is the shelf finished with 3 coats of clear polyurethane on it. I sanded between each coat, and I have the back already cut out, and it's finished as well, so we can put that on now. Alright, well, I got the back on as you saw, and I have marked some lines center of the shelves so I can shoot some brad nails into that as well. Okay, well, we got the back on. I think it looks really, really good. My wife has not seen this yet, and she's going to flip out. So now I have to lug it up to the house and take the top of the bar off, remove some toe mold, set this into place, and attach it, and then put the top back on. So won't bore you with all of that, but we will show the shelf installed and in place. As you can see, we have the shelf loaded up with some items that we need to get out of the cabinets. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and as always, be all you can be, but best of all, be sharp. Stay safe in your shop, everyone. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. I can't do it with you looking at me.